Welcome to Hannah and Eileen Happy World.
Okay.
Oh, hi kids. Welcome to Hannah and Eileen Happy World. Today we are going to make Mexican pasta salad. We need some pasta, of course, because it says Mexican pasta. Some mayonnaise, salt, pepper,
Black pepper. And for the
corn, carrot, edamame, and sausages. You also can use ham.
cook.
Yeah, but all this you must get cooked. And this also your mommy or daddy can help you to cook the pasta. To the big bowl.
Put the pasta into a big bowl.
Everything.
Mm-hmm.
More. And more. Okay.
Okay.
Now I put 2 spoons of mayonnaise. 4 spoon.
Okay.
I don't like the smell. Come on, get off, Mr. Silly Bun. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
That's too much. A little bit more because it's not supposed to be like heaping full. Okay, mixed it. Mix it with the spoon. Yes. Slowly.
This is cool, kids. And then we make mayonnaise. Oh, good. I'm just following my teacher there. Huh? Now we need to put a little bit of all of this.
Put in the veggie. What is that?
This one, corn.
Some more?
This corn.
One
then
more spoon.
Carrot. 1 more spoon of corn.
Add some carrots.
Carrot.
You can use what veggies you like.
1 more.
Yeah, Hannah and Ellie love corn, carrot, and edamame. So we are using all their favorite vegetable, and we added some sausages.
You also can use ham.
Okay, now you can mix.
1, 2,
Gentle.
Yeah.
After this, just
You
add a
know
little
why
bit of
Ellie is not here because Ellie is sleeping.
yeah.
She's taking her nap.
Wow, it's so colorful, right?
Yeah.
After
colourful,
this, just
colourful.
put a pinch of salt and some black pepper.
I need a
Pinch.
pinch of salt like that.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Grind the pepper.
now I need to grind some pepper. See, grind the so this is the grind. Oh, pepper's coming out. Okay, my Mexican pasta salad is done. Look, I'm going to eat. Yummy! Subscribe here for my latest video.